Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad. I'm an undergraduate student in informatics at IRS University. Today, I'd like to talk to you about four functions of the computer. Basically, a computer is an electronic machine used for processing and storing the data given by the user. There are different types of computer, from micro to the supercomputer. Some have many functions with complexity, while the basic computer has only four functions. So, I will explain to you the basic functionality of the computer system as well as the function of the each component in the most general sense. Number 1. The input. Input is the process of entering any type of data and instruction into a computer system by using the input device such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, or etc. in order to receive user signal to the computer. By using this input device, we can perform the basic tasks in the computer, like calculation, viewing the image and videos, or listening the audios. In fact, all the basic functions of the computer of a computer user are initiated by inputting the data into the computer through input device. Next, number 2, processing data. This processing function is the second step that offers the process and handling of the input data instructed by the user. To process the user input data, computer need a central processing unit or CPU. The computer CPU, of course, is primarily obligated to entire process data of the computer. The CPU takes data and instruction from the input device and perform all types of calculation based on instruction given. It consists of manipulating the data in different ways to perform calculation, modifying the instruction, coding, and executing the action. All this process is done with the help of processor, power supply unit, and RAM presented in the CPU. Next, number 3. Storing the data. Storing the data and information is the fourth major function of the computer. This function allow us to save the processed data for later use. To store data and information, a computer uses two types of storage component, temporary and permanent. Next, output. After processing the input data, the CPU auxiliary processor or the process function sends the processed data to the output function or to the default or the configured output device. By default, a computer uses a monitor as the default output device. Aside from monitor, a variety of output devices are also available. Each output device presents the processed data in different form. For example, a monitor, a printer, and a speaker display prints and plays the processed data respectively. A user, based on its requirement, can connect and use two, three, or more output devices to the computer. For example, after viewing the processed data, a user can send it to the printer for printing. That's the four function of the computer. Thanks for watching. See ya.